Good night.
That's fine. I'm not about to keep barking at a bitch who ain't about to do nothing. Anyway, just mad because you was a stripper that thought you was gonna get wifed and didn't, psych.
That's fine. I'll be a stripper because I make way more money than you, bitch. Buy your life. Good night.
You trying to get down or you just trying to run your mouth?
You the one that came in here.
Trying to get down or you just trying to run your mouth?
If you got a problem, then what's up?
You trying to get down or you just trying to run your mouth? Oh, you just trying to run your mouth.
Good night.
Because anytime you want to get down, we can get down at any moment.